Hi guys, I just uploaded my I'm back video and it's bonfire night, yay! I actually made that I'm back video ages ago, but yeah, since I stopped making videos, I got a lot of new games, which I'll be playing, like Diablo 3, FIFA 15. I mean, that's probably the best of them all, but yeah, I don't really like FIFA that much, but I might use it well since all my friends love it. Well, I actually do love FIFA, but you get it. I'm watching Tom Square as well right now. Well, I'm not watching him really. I'm just like looking at his videos. You can't really see it that well. See, Sniper Pug, Christmas Demolition and Guitar Warfare, and yeah, that's all I really wanted to say. And oh yeah, I'm gonna get people are gonna love me for this. I'm gonna do a let's play on. I don't want to say it, I'm horrified or Five Nights at Freddy's. I can't even get past night 2. If I can't get past night 2, how do you expect me to do all 7 nights? Yeah, I might just not play then. Or should I? I will play it. Maybe I'll get Golden Freddy. At least try. Oh yeah. I might be getting a Wii U for Christmas, so I mean, there's lots of good games on that I can do, like Mario Kart 8. I mean, it's quite old now, but still, Mario Kart 8. New Super Mario World, is it? Yeah, or is it Land? Or Super Mario 3D Land World? Yeah, I'll be doing that if I get a Wii U, that is. The Legend of Zelda Hyrule Warriors, which I was so excited about when I heard about it, and now it's out. And I watched a YouTuber called Ghost Robo, which I think you should watch, play it, and I didn't really like it. But normally if I watch a game and then I play it, I really like it. So oh, and also Wind Waker HD. Yeah. Speaking of YouTubers that I think you should watch, there's Ghost Robo, which I just said, Peanut Butter Gamer, which is like amazing. Well, when I say amazing, I mean hilarious. Kane Durkin. Oh, and it's the one with the gamer pick with the person that's doing this face. Something like that next to a white Xbox pad. And then there's also, I'm just going to do this. There's also Vanos Gaming, H2O Delirious, me! Well, obviously, look, we're already watching me, so tongue. I have 3 lips. That's it for this video, and this is Hit That Game Button, signing out.